हाय गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू अ ब्रांड न्यू व्लॉग। तो आज हम जा रहे हैं आइकिया। लास्ट हम गए थे शादी के पहले 2019 में। सो इट्स बीन आई थिंक some 6-7 years that we haven't been to IKEA. So obviously there have been a lot of changes there and बेसिकली बहुत सालों से नहीं गए हैं एंड वी बीन प्लानिंग एंड प्लानिंग एंड प्लानिंग, लेकिन एग्जीक्यूट हो ही नहीं पा रहा था। सो वेलकम टू आइकिया शॉपिंग एंड हॉल व्लॉग। तो अभी बज रहे हैं 2:30 एंड हमने हैवी ब्रेकफास्ट किया है, लंच नहीं किया बिकॉज वी ऑल्सो वॉन्ट टू गो देयर एंड एन्जॉय द फूड। सो द ओनर ऑफ IKEA feels that a hungry shopper will not shop like to his or her optimum level, but when you feed a shopper वो आराम से अच्छे से शॉपिंग कर पाते हैं। So that's why they have like a full floor of lot of food items and yeah, a lot of Swedish dishes basically. तो चलिए let's make a move for IKEA and say hi to Vivek.
हेलो।
कहाँ जा रहे हैं हम?
IKEA।
कितने साल बाद?
हाँ, 4-5 साल।
So guys, that's about it. चलिए चलते हैं IKEA। वैसे तो घर से पास ही है, it's like within 5 kilometers from our house and we are ready. Let's go. So guys, we've just started for IKEA. अभी the map shows 12 minutes. So like I said, it's just about 5 kilometers. I just started and I just wanted to share a useful piece of information. मैंने useful and peaceful को mix कर दिया. Anyway, I just wanted to share a useful piece of information, which is if you want to get your cars like deep cleaned internally, externally, you can download the Hura app. It's HOORA. It's not sponsored, and I think this is the 4th or 5th time we got the car cleaned by them. They are definitely available in Mumbai and Pune. I don't know about other cities that confidently, but you can of course download the app and check out the locations. It's a very good service, I would say. It is something like urban company for your car. बहुत ही अच्छे से clean करते हैं. Like today our car is cleaned and but it's so clean and बहुत ही clean लग रहा है and बहुत ही अच्छा लग रहा है when the car looks so clean, because बहुत दिनों से थोड़ी हालत ख़राब थी कार की, अंदर से थोड़ा गंदा हो गया था, but they do a fab job. ऐसे कुछ I think 1,000-1,500 लगता है.
1000।
हाँ, so around 1,000 rupees, but worth every penny. That's what I was trying to say. This is P1 and that's P2. So basically अगर P1 would have been full तो P2 में जाते हैं, but P1 is not full. It's welcoming us. We're taking a left from here. If they don't want you to enter a particular row, then they'll put up these. So ये वाला open दिख रहा है हमें and बहुत parking है guys. I mean come on, you can get your car here. अगर नवी मुंबई में रहते हो तो 2 बार भी मत सोचो गाड़ी लाने के लिए. दूर से भी आ रहे हो तो टाइम से आ जाओ एंड गाड़ी आराम से पार्क कर लो. यू कैन टेक योर थिंग्स ऑल्सो ईजियर इन अ ईजियर वे. सो वी आर पार्किंग हियर. बस नोट कर लेना, हम रख रहे हैं H row 7 पे. द अमाउंट ऑफ पार्किंग यू गाइस. हैप्पी? पार्किंग मिल गया.
चलो।
Okay guys, so we got in and the first setup that we saw was this beautiful Christmassy, very very festive kind of a theme. बहुत ही अच्छा लग रहा था. वहाँ पे क्रिसमस ट्री था एंड क्रिसमस की तरह क्रॉकरीज थे. तो हम सबसे पहले चले गए थे ऊपर वाले फ्लोर पे एंड वहाँ पे सबसे पहले हमने स्टार्ट किया विद ऑल ऑफ दीज निकनैक लाइक किचन आइटम्स थे, ग्लास के जार्स एंड ऑल थे. तो हमने येलो वाला जो एक ट्रॉली था वो ले लिया था एंड गलती से हम पहुँच गए थे चिल्ड्रंस सेक्शन में, जिसमें जाने की अभी तो हमें ज़रूरत नहीं थी, बट यू कीप गेटिंग लॉस्ट इन IKEA. इट इज़ दैट ह्यूज. जब भी खो जाओगे तभी भी वो एरो देखना स्टार्ट करना एंड जस्ट फॉलो द एरो ऑन द फ्लोर. इट विल टेक यू टू द एग्जिट. फिर हमने कुछ प्लेस मैट्स देखे एंड देन देयर वर सम जैम्स ऑल्सो. ब्लूबेरी जैम था, ऑरेंज मार्बलेट था. वी डिडंट ट्राई बट नेक्स्ट टाइम मे बी विल पिक इट अप. देन वी वेंट इनटू द कॉफी मग सेक्शन इन द हॉल. आई शो यू एग्जैक्टली which ones we picked up. And then this pink pasta plate, oh my god, this completely has my heart. Next time I'm surely picking it up. Right now my kitchen does not have too much space left because there's just so much crockery at home, but this pink pasta plate was absolutely amazing. Also these very very big wine glasses, perfectly apt for the festive season. हमने हमारा कार्ट पार्क किया एंड चले गए थे फूड कोर्ट में. सो यू हैव टू फर्स्ट कलेक्ट दिस ट्रॉली जहाँ पे आप अपने सारे जो है प्लेट्स रखोगे एंड देन वन बाय वन यू कैन जस्ट गो एंड filling the trays or the plates with food. So वहाँ पे बहुत सारे Swedish options रहते हैं, mainly chicken balls, veg balls. Then you can get a lot of like continental dishes and paneer butter masala, chicken butter masala with wheat paratha, ये सब आपको मिल जाएगा. तो जो भी आपको चाहिए desserts and ये main course में वो आप डाल सकते हो. अगर आप लेते हो cold beverage, you can fill it up multiple times. Hot beverage you cannot keep refilling. तो हमने लिया था एक cheese patty and rice platter, and उसके साथ we had taken a veg balls platter which came with boiled vegetables and potato veggies. So I am going to rate the cheese patties with rice platter 8.5 on 10, and the veg balls potato veggies वाला जो एक plate था, that I will rate just 7 on 10. Then we went into this section which had amazing plants, बहुत ही fresh plants थे. तो हमने 2 plants उठाए, वापस मैं आप लोगों को हॉल में भी ये plants दिखाऊंगी again. And then we went into this furniture kind of section. यहाँ पे बहुत सारी चीज़ें एक साथ रखी हुई थी. There were a lot of bathroom mats, rugs. I particularly really liked this rainbow one, but अभी immediately इसका requirement नहीं था, so we didn't end up picking it. Now coming to a very important part, which is the self billing. Self billing में you are not going to face any queue. यहाँ पे सिर्फ कार्ड चलता है, keep that in mind, and UPI भी चलता है if I'm not wrong, but no cash. You will have to scan all of the items on your own. किसी आइटम का फॉर एग्जांपल अगर क्यूआर कोड स्कैन नहीं होता है तो आपको उसका नंबर मैन्युअली वहाँ पे फिल करना पड़ेगा. And there'll always be someone who will help you out in the self billing section as well. Then I showed you the amazing sunset, and then ये amazing escalator से हम अपना कार्ट लेके directly आ गए थे पार्किंग में. So yes, you can take your cart or trolley directly to the parking, and please थोड़ा शाम को जाना avoid करना, because look at the number of cars in the evening. Morning में बिल्कुल भी इतना नहीं था. And that's it, you guys. That was the vlog part of it. Now it's time for you all to enjoy the haul. So let's do it. Hi you guys, so today is the next day and I'm doing the haul. I'm showing you everything that we got from IKEA yesterday. We got quite a lot of things. Most of them are like related to food or like a little bit of home decor. We also got a few plants. So let me show you all of that. Now I don't remember the exact prices, but I will also share the prices with you as much as possible. So let's start. We got a lot of minuscule items, like we didn't get any furnitures or anything of that sort because we didn't really need furniture. We stay in a 2 BHK rented apartment here in Mumbai, and our house is currently fully furnished. So there is, no space for any new furniture unless we let go of some existing furniture. So the first thing which we picked up is this packet of potpourri. So this is like 90 grams of potpourri. Has a very nice like sandalwoodish and a very winter fall like smell. So this one was really attractive. वहाँ पे रखा हुआ था IKEA में, and वो particular section से इतनी अच्छी खुशबू आ रही थी. We had to pick this up because we just let go of our old potpourri, so we'll just replace that with this. This one is 90 grams and MRP is 111. Very inexpensive, but I'm sure we didn't pay more than 100 rupees for this one. The next thing which we got are these tea lights. Now these are not normal tea lights, these are scented tea lights. So these ones have a very like organic, very nice, refreshing, natural, very good. And these ones costed us around rupees 200 or 300 something, around those lines. We have 30 of these, and we usually light these diffusers in our bedrooms, with a lot of different kinds of fragrances, या फिर essential oils, camphor. So uske liye we can use these tea lights, which come with their own scent basically. We picked up quite a few food related items like I was telling you. So we picked up this pasta. This one is not wheat pasta. At home currently what we use is wheat pasta. We get them from Instamart or Blinkit. This one is not wheat pasta. This one is semolina pasta. We have 400 grams of mini penne. You can see the size is like pretty small, and this one we paid only rupees 110. So we are very excited for this one because we are 2 people, right? And 400 grams, I think 2 din easily ban jayega. So yeah, looking forward to making this very soon. Then we also got a candle. The candle name is Totscon. This one has a very berry, a jam kind of a fragrance. It's really nice. From here you can actually sniff it and try it. That's what we did. And you had quite a nice variety of candles. I think there was lemon fragrance, then they had green apple, a lot of different kinds of fragrances they had in candles. We liked this one the most, the berry jam one the most. This one was for rupees 419 is the MRP.
but I'm sure we paid around 300 for this one. So this one was a very, very nice pick. We both really, really love candles. By the way, guys, I will of course continue showing you the rest of the haul, but just thought of showing you the beautiful sunset I can see from our window. It looks so nice. Yeah, so coming back to me, the next thing which we got are these tissue papers. They have this Christmas theme going on, which was really, really cute. The MRP says rupees 286, but I'm guessing we paid around 120 or 110 something. Like I said, these are Christmas themed tissue papers, so we will not use them in the month of November. We are saving this for the later part of December because I mean, we're not really going to have any parties or anything, but I'm sure we're going to have some guests during the month of December. So this is exactly what we're going to be using for those parties because they are so Christmas themed. Next thing which we picked up is this hot chocolate powder. This is dark chocolate powder. We are so looking forward to this. In fact, I was just waiting to complete this video today so that I can go and make this hot chocolate because I just wanted to show you the sealed pack of everything. This one is 100 grams and the MRP says rupees 180, and I don't think this had any discount, so we got some hot chocolate powder. Perfect for this weather, absolutely perfect. Next, we also picked up some apple cinnamon tea. This is 25 bags for rupees 280. Now this basically caught Vivek's eye. He really wanted to try something like this. Now I haven't seen apple cinnamon tea bags anywhere else, like especially Blinkit, Instamart. I haven't seen this anywhere, but we got this on Nykaa, so we thought of picking this up. Yesterday Vivek tried this. He really liked it. I did not like it. I did not hate it. I'm like kind of neutral towards it, but Vivek really liked it. I'm guessing like this is going to be acquired taste for a lot of people, but अच्छा ही था, मतलब उतना कुछ खराब नहीं था. It's decent. Next thing we picked up is this spray bottle for watering our plants, for spraying water on the plants. This one was, I think, for 99 rupees. It's a very good one. This can hold a lot of water, so you can also use this. Very, very good. And next up we got two plants. I'm gonna pop a video of this chrysanthemum plant. I hope I'm pronouncing this right. This was a plant which comes with red flowers, and this looked so pretty. We have this mini sort of a garden in our guest bedroom, like window section, and वहाँ पे सब था, बस एक flower plant की बहुत कमी थी. So हम पहले से डिसाइड करके आए थे कि हम flower वाला कोई plant मिला अच्छा तो वो लेंगे. It looked like very, very good quality, so we picked it up. And another plant which we picked up is this lucky bamboo plant, which also I'm showing you right now. This we've kept in our living room because living room में पहले एक plant था, and that is not there anymore, so वो जगह भी खाली थी. So we have replaced that with this beautiful lucky bamboo plant. This lucky bamboo costed us rupees 299, and the chrysanthemum with red flowers costed us rupees 149. And for the quality of the plants that IKEA offered us, I think these were very, very reasonable plants. Okay, next, another very important thing which we picked up are two wardrobe organizers. So basically we picked up two of these. Now look at this. This looks so nice. It wasn't really there in a lot of different colors. Like I would have loved to pick this one up in a pink or in a lavender shade, but they didn't really have that. They had these very standard black color wardrobe organizers, but I am desperately in need of them. This one is very, very deep, so will fit a lot of my like t-shirts, regular tops, घर के कपड़े. Wardrobe को organization की बहुत ज़रूरत है इस point पे, so I needed a good organizer. You do get good organizers on Amazon as well, but I've tried organizers from Amazon before, but I haven't found them of very good quality. They're not as sturdy, and hence उनमें ना कपड़े रखना उतना convenient, उतना efficient नहीं होता है. But these are very, very good quality, sturdy wardrobe organizers, which is why I absolutely love this particular organizer. I got two of them, and they were for 300 rupees each, so I think completely a steal deal. The last thing which we picked up are these two coffee mugs, which I'm going to show you right now. Okay, so we got these two coffee mugs. This one Vivek chose for himself, and this one I chose for myself. So I went in for this classic white coffee mug. Just look at this. I can actually imagine a lot of these bougie premium coffee shops serving their cappuccino or serving their like coffee or hot chocolate maybe in this particular mug. It looked so classy to me, so minimal yet so premium. This one I think we paid around 200 or 250 for this one. Really worth the price. It's very good quality, looks really aesthetic. And Vivek loves Christmas. That's like his favorite festival. He gets very excited 1 month, 2 months in advance of Christmas, and he picked up something in the Christmas theme. So he picked up this particular coffee mug, which has a very colorful, vibrant look to it, and it does give a very Christmassy kind of a feeling. He usually doesn't go for coffee mugs or anything for that matter in white, but he went for this particular white coffee mug because it has so much of color and vibrance because of the Christmas theme going on. So for this, of course, because this is a bigger mug, he paid more for this. I think this was for 400 and this one was for around 250. Both very good quality and look really nice, and absolutely amazing products from IKEA. Okay guys, last few minutes of the golden hour. The sun is just going to vanish on us in a few minutes, so I just thought of changing the frame and coming to the other room, the guest bedroom, and just quickly brief you about IKEA. I guess you guys saw the vlog, you guys saw the haul. Please let me know what you felt about the haul, about the vlog, what you liked, what you didn't like, and yeah, you can leave in your questions also in the comment section. In case you guys have any questions, queries in general, I'm always there to answer that. Now if you want to understand from me about IKEA, I can just tell you that there are some things that you should definitely pick up from IKEA, because they have very good categories. So I think the first category which they excel at is furniture. They have really good furniture. I saw some single sofas there, you know, worth रुपीज़ 16,000 में वो सोफ़ा आपको कोई नहीं बना के दे सकता है. इवन लोकल कारपेंटर्स कैन नॉट गिव यू अ सोफ़ा लाइक दैट फॉर 16,000 rupees. So IKEA has great like sofas, tables, furnitures in general. If you want to do up your child's room, then they have very good options, very good beds, cots, very good. Then they have some plushies also, but plushies I have a feeling Miniso does better. Then very good organizers, very good plates, crockery, bowls, glasses, cups, very good pasta plates, bowls, cups, all of that also they are just fab at. And plants. If you guys are looking for like fresh plants, good quality plants, IKEA is a very good destination. Of course, your local nurseries will also have great plants, but I think we've also had a very good experience with IKEA plants. So that was it, you guys. And also IKEA is very reasonable. You can see everything and buy. You can buy online. And when it comes to furniture, because that really takes up a lot of our budgets when we are doing our homes and interiors, I think IKEA is something you guys should definitely try out. So that was all about today's video. That was all about today's vlog and haul, you guys. I really hope you enjoyed watching today's video. If you did, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. I will see you very soon in my next video. Till then, take care. Loads and loads of love, you guys. Bye bye.